Hey, it's Carl from Investing Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer from Coinbase to Uphold, step by step. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to transfer from Coinbase to Uphold. You can follow along with our written guide using the link below. Okay, let's dive in. The first step is to open an Uphold account. If you already have an Uphold account, then you can skip ahead. Opening a new Uphold account is really simple. First, you'll enter some account credentials, your email, and a new password, and your country of residence and citizenship. Then you'll need to read and click agree with Uphold's terms of service. Next, enter your first and last name, the territory where you live, and your birth date. Then you'll choose your account username and Uphold will send you a confirmation email. Open the email to continue signing up. After that, you'll need to sign up for two-factor authentication, which Uphold uses for extra security for all its user accounts. 2FA works by requiring you to confirm inside of the Authenticator app that it's actually you signing into Uphold. Uphold uses the Authy app for 2FA. You'll have to download Authy and sign up using your phone number. This only takes a second or two. Finally, when your Uphold account has been fully set up, you'll need to verify your identity. This process doesn't take long either. You'll need to confirm your current address and upload a photo of a valid ID like your driver's license, as well as a selfie to verify. After your account is set up, it's time to gather information about your wallet. Since you are sending the crypto to Uphold, you need your Uphold wallet address. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. Therefore, it is crucial that you locate the correct address. For example, if you want to send Bitcoin, then you must copy the Bitcoin address. You can locate your Uphold wallet address by following the instructions on screen. Once you have located the desired cryptocurrency and corresponding wallet address, you will copy it. You will use this wallet address to paste into Coinbase platform. It's time to finish off the transfer over in the Coinbase platform. Open the app or desktop version and log into your account. You'll start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and paste in the wallet address you copied from Uphold. After indicating the amount you would like to transfer, you'll simply review the transfer and click the send button. You can complete the transfer using the steps on screen. You ought to be aware that each outgoing crypto transfer from Coinbase does have applicable fees. Well, that brings us to the end of this video.